Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Revive essential oil subscription. Okay, so when you purchase product on their website like subscribe and save, then they will activate subscription on your account and they will provide you auto refill system. Okay, and you don't need to place your order again and again, then they will deliver your product. And if you don't want to continue with their service, then you can cancel your subscription very easily. So what you have to do, you need to visit on their official website, that is like reviveeco.com. This is the official website. Once you are on their official website, you need to navigate their contact us page, and once you are on their contact us page, this kind of form it will open. Okay, in this box you need to provide your name, your email ID, and you need to select a reason. What's the subject is like I want to cancel my subscription. Okay, and in your box, this is your box. In this box you need to provide a message. And what is the message? So you can take out the screenshot of this, you can like a screen, and you can write by your own. In the email, in the format, you need to you can like write your account name, your you can say like username if you have any, your subscription starting date, end date, and related to the subscription details you need to provide, and you need to provide a valid reason. And in the end you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the written form. So once your email is done, then you can paste the same message in this box, in your message box, and you can send it. And once you send this message, they will receive your message and they will contact you soon related to your cancellation. After verification, they will cancel your subscription and you can get a proof of cancellation. Okay, if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is active. And make sure you are going to cancel your subscription. If you are going to cancel your subscription, you need to provide at least 7 to 5 days prior, you can like notice. Okay, you need to cancel your subscription at least 5 to 7 prior to your next billing date, we can say this thing. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And you can also do one thing, like on the contact us page there is also an email. You can also send the same email at this email address, and this is the only thing by which you can cancel your Revive essential oil subscription. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.